given A is equals to 2, B is equals to 8, and Sn is equals to 90. So Sn is 90. We have to find n and an. That is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If I put the values, I will get 90 is equals to n by 2 into 2a is 4, a is 2, then 2 into 2 is 4, plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Dividing by 2, I will get here 2 and here 4. And further, I can also divide this whole equation by 2 and I will get 45 is equals to n into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay, so if I solve the bracket 1 plus 2n minus 2, so that will give me this is equals to 45 n plus 2n square minus 2n, and that is equals to 2n square minus n is equals to 45. If I just subtract 45 from both sides, I will get 2n square minus n minus 45 here, and doing middle term splitting, I will get 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45. Taking 2n common here, I will get n minus 5 in the inside of the bracket, and here I will take 9 as common and minus 5 common also here. 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 is equals to 0. And if I just find the value of n, that is, let me put it here 2n plus 9 is equals to 0, and also n minus 5 is equals to 0. So n is 5 and the second n is 9 minus 9 by 2. So this cannot be possible as n is a whole number, so it is not true. But here it is true. So n is 5. We have n as 5, and an will be equals to a plus 4d. A is 2 and 4 into 8. 34. An is 34. So that's the solution to 6th part. Now let's do the 7th part. We have A is 8, An is 62, and Sn is 210. That's a very easy question. We can just put n by 2 into A plus An here, and I will get 420 by multiplying to both sides. And n we have to find. A we have is 8 and An is 62. So if I just add this, I will get 70n here. And if I divide this equation by 70, I will get 6. So n is 6 in this equation. We have to find d. So for d, we have a6 is equals to 62. a6 is equals to 62 is equals to a plus 5d. A is 8 and 5 into d. Subtracting 8 from both sides and dividing this equation by 5, I will get d is equals to 54 by 5. That's the solution to the 7th part. And in the 8th part, we have an is equals to 4, d is equals to 2, and Sn is equals to minus 14. We have to find n and a. So let's just do it here. Have space left. So it is the 8th part. An is 4 and Sn is minus 14. So minus 14 is equals to n by 2 into a we have to find plus an is 4. So if I multiply to both sides, I will get minus 28 is equals to a n a plus 4. Now if I solve an is equals to, let this be equation 1. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. D is 2. An is 4. So 4 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into 2. We have to find a and n. So let's just open the bracket. A plus 2n minus 2 is equals to 4. And if I add to both sides, I will get 6. It is here. 6 is equals to a plus 2n. And a will be equals to, we can write a is equals to 6 minus 2n. So that's the equation we will be using in put in equation first. If I put this in equation first, that is this one, I will get minus 28 is equals to n into a is 6 minus 2n plus 4. If I just solve the equation in bracket, I will get n into 10 minus 2n and here 28. If I divide this equation by 2, I will get minus 14 here, n 5n minus n square. If I use the middle term splitting by just adding 14 both sides, I will get minus n square is plus 5n plus 14 is equals to 0. Now minus n square minus 7 plus 7n minus 2n plus 14 is equals to 0. Taking common n square, n here, I will get minus n plus 7, and here I will take common of 2 plus 2, and I will get minus n plus 7 here. So using this here, n plus 2 and minus n plus 7, that is equals to 0. So n is equals to minus 2, that is not possible because it is not a whole number, and n is equals to 7. So that is the possible situation. We have n as 7. And if I use this 7 in any of these equations, I will get my answer. So let's just take this as equation 2, this one, and put in equation 2. I will get 6 is equals to a plus 14, and therefore a will be equals to minus 8.